Hello everybody, Lucas Purdon here from Paul Sherry Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm going to highlight a new arrival to the dealership, stock number CP17585T. It's a used 2013 Honda Odyssey BraunAbility mobility van. Has a side entry mobility package on it, and we'll get to that in just a moment. Its exterior is bright white, as we can see. It's got the power moonroof up top. 17-inch alloy wheels, new Michelin rubber, built-in running boards. Got power sliding doors on both sides. Push of a button here, you can open it up and shut it as well. Around back you get the rear backup camera. Open it up, take a peek on the inside. Got plenty of storage space, cubbies in here for more storage, where they got some of the tie downs in here for the wheelchair. And push button power close. And let's take a look on the inside and the mobility ramp and everything here. You got easy operation here. Press the key fob, hold it in for a second. The door will open and then it'll automatically lower the ramp down for you. This van is set up if you are semi-mobile and want to get out on your own wheelchair. It has an easy lock in here, so you can actually remove the driver's seat, pull it into your wheelchair, and lock down here in the easy lock and drive from your chair. It also has hand controls already in here. Rear bench seat. You got a little step there to put your feet on. You got your tie down systems. The passenger chair as well, it's removable, and they are interchangeable, so you can swap the chairs if need be. Power moonroof up above, nice shade to keep the sun out if you want. XM Sirius satellite radios built in. You got all your controls for your radio, your HVAC. Also has the steering wheel knob, power mirrors, windows, and locks. When you come out, it's just as easy to put the ramp back up, hold the button down, it'll go back up and the door will shut. Again, we're looking at stock number CP17585T. I'm Lucas Purdon. Come visit me at Paul Sherry Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio, or you can visit us online at paulsherryvans.com, or you can give Lucas a call at 937-778-0830, extension 1129. Thanks for watching.